Hi, in this video we will see how to download and install Oracle 11GR to rack on Oracle Linux 7. In order to install 11GR to rack on Oracle Linux vmware workstation or Oracle VirtualBox, we need Oracle Linux operating system or CentOS 7, and we need 11GR to database, 11GR to grid, 11GR to example, which is optional of course, open filer, storage server. Hardware requirements: minimum 2 NIC card, 16 to 20 GB of physical RAM, 300 GB or more hard disk space on hard drive. We are going to configure 3 virtual machines. 2 will be Oracle Linux and 1 open filer, and you will learn installing Linux operating system, installing open filer storage server, installing and configuring yum repo server, and of course not limited, Oracle 11GR to grid installation, database on grid. So these are the requirements, and this video will be long and it will be in the parts 1 2 3. I don't know, just start it. So let's see what you need and where you can download software which we need. You can type 11g download 11gr2 database. In the first link it will take you to installation or download link. See, you need to register with Oracle, and registering with Oracle is free. Once you register an account with Oracle, they will send you an email verification. Verify your email address, and once you have an Oracle account, log in into Oracle account and search for download database. Accept the license agreement and scroll down and find for Linux 64-bit. See all, click on see all. Accept license agreement again and download database 1 of 2 zip file, 2 of 2 zip file, and here you can see grid infrastructure. Download this zip file as well, and we need example as well, examples, so download examples too. Okay, once you download database, grid and example, we need open filer. So you can look for open filer, which is free as well. Open filer, which is open source storage management. Click on that link and it will redirect you to this page. Click on download open filer free. Here you can see now it is available for 64-bit. Click download and it will start downloading. I already have database 11g grid example and open filer downloaded, so I'm not going to download. And if you don't have VMware workstation, you can type download VMware workstation pro and download it from VMware website. See, VMware workstation pro, go to download. You can download from there. So we have all the files, so let's start the installation. I'm going to start my VMware workstation. Before starting the installation, I'm going to make some folders into my drive. I'm going to call this folders node 1 and node 2. There you go, and another for open filer. That's it. So start your VMware, click on create new virtual machine, select typical, and you can select I will install operating system later. Click next. On this window you can see the Linux guest operating system, and once you click on this version tab, it will slide down and you can select your operating system, scroll it up or down to find your matching operating system which you are trying to install. So in our case I'm going to install Oracle Linux 7.3. so I'm going to select Oracle Linux 7 64-bit, click next, and here you can browse the folder which you made into the drive. So in my case it's on local disk I node 1. Okay, change this name to node 1. You can give any name, rack 1, rack 2, or depending on your requirement or your test. Next. Now it's asking for disk space for the virtual machine, the guest operating system of course. So I'm going to give 110. Next. 110 GB, it is 110 GB. Next. Customize hardware. Okay, I'm going to give 8 GB to this machine, and I'm going to add one more network card. Click on add. Let's see again. I'm going to click on add, then I'm going to click on network adapter, then finish. It will add one more network adapter to your guest operating system virtual machine. And on your CD DVD, click on use ISO image, browse, and browse to your location where you have downloaded Oracle Linux 7 or any version, but you need minimum above 5, Linux Red Hat 5 or Oracle Linux 5. Here you can see I have Oracle Linux 7 there. Add it, close, and finish. So power on the machine. Okay, once this machine is started, click your mouse inside and press enter. So it will start loading an operating system installation files. Okay, you can skip this checking by pressing escape. It will just check the ISO image file, is it corrupted or working one, to save your time. To install rack we need ASM drivers to configure ASM if we are installing on ASM. Okay, select your language and press continue. On date and time, click on it and select your region for time zone. I'm in India, so I'm going to select the region as per to mine. It's 5:51. AM. Once you set your time, click done. Then select the software selection, click on it, and select server with GUI if you want server with GUI installation. If you need minimal, you can select minimal install. On the right hand side you can see file and storage server. We need this IC drivers, so RPMs. So I'm going to check this and scroll down more, so you can find this compatibility libraries. Check that. Development tools and press done. Select installation destination and check mark this I will configure partitioning and press done. On this tab click on this LVM and standard partitions. Click on this plus mark, slide down mount point, select boot and provide 500 MB for boot partition. Click again on this plus mark, select root. We will give 20480 which is 20 GB. Click again, this time select swap, double of RAM, so 16384 which is 16 GB. Click again. Now this time I'm going to make one partition called U02 and provide space around 20 GB, 20480. Click again. Again I'm going to make new partition U01 and just add mount point. What it will do, it will assign all the remaining space to this particular partition. See, 53.51 GB. Okay, so partitions are ready. Once you are done with the partitioning, click done, accept changes, click on kdump, disable it, done. Select network and host. On this tab you can click on configure, general, automatically connect to this network when it is available, IP setting 4, manual, add 192.168.1.160. that is going to be my rack 1 or node 1 IP address. Press tab, default gateway, save. Then on second Ethernet card, configure it, same process but different IP. Manual, add. Now this time you use 10.192.0.160. tab, save. As you can see, it is active now, and on lower side you can see host name. Give a host name rack1 dot any fully qualified domain name. I'm going to provide darkra.com. Applied. Once it is applied, press done. Click on security policies and off. Slide it to off. Click done. Begin installation. It has started installing, creating partitions, writing partitions to the settings, and the packages started installing. Meanwhile, click on root password, provide the root password. In my case I'm going to provide root.1234. You can provide whatever the password you want. Click done. It will ask you twice. Click done. That's it. And I'm going to wait for a few minutes. I'm going to switch this recording off, or I'm going to pause it and come back again. Okay, for the node 2 you can repeat the same process, but you can provide an IP address like 192.168.1.161 for the first NIC, and subnet 255.255.255.255.0, gateway 192.168.1.1, and the IP address for another NIC card you can provide 192.168.0.161. Same 255.255.255.0. You don't need to provide default gateway, and provide the fully qualified domain name, which should be rack2.takra.com, or any fully qualified domain name which you want to provide. So it is not going to host it on the internet, so you can give any fully qualified domain name. You can even use google.com locally to test. I know it is not good, but you can try. Okay, all softwares and applications are owned by individual organizations, companies, corporations. I'm just going to show this all for learning purpose. I do not own anything except my voice and my video recording. That's all. Thank you.